My name is Roberta Bernardi. My main area of expertise is I study digital innovation in healthcare organizations. I'm from the business school, and my presentation today is about this concept on AI and organizational justice, and I take a focus that moves away from bias in algorithmic models, but actually situates AI and justice in the social-technical fabrics of health systems, and it takes inspiration from the Horizon project, a scandal at the post office where a simple IT error escalated due to poor leadership and organizational culture. So with AI, complexity arises because it learns from the environment in which it is embedded, and therefore it becomes harder to identify the root causes of injustices when basically technical complexity, organizational cultures and procedures are intertwined, a challenge that I would like to address in a future project. Thank you.